Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. If you don't know me already, my name is Luna and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some cleaning because I know that you probably don't, but maybe this will give you some motivation. So make sure that your sponge is nice and wet. This is why I wear a raincoat because I just want to show you that things do get messy, things do get nice and wet. So it's good to always be wearing a raincoat. I have a nice pink raincoat because pink is my favorite color. So what you're going to do is make sure that the surface is nicely cleared with everything. So you can put your sponge down. I'm just going to take whatever this stuff is and clear it all away. Make sure these don't get dirty. And make sure everything is nice and clean. And then we can get wiping. So grab your sponge, make sure it's nicely squeezed out, and then just start to wipe round circular motions. Make sure to get. That looks like a poop. Make sure to wipe all the surfaces round and round, just like this. And you can reach and just really make the most of it. And just like that, guys, we are done. I really hope that you, number one, enjoy my outfit and also the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.